Welcome. In this tutorial, we will show you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet connection problem. Let's get started. First, restart your router, unplug it from the power source, wait about 10 to 15 seconds, then plug it back in. Wait for the router to reboot fully and then check if your device can access the internet. If you are still having trouble, try forgetting the Wi-Fi network on your device and reconnecting. Go to your device's Wi-Fi settings, tap the network name, then select Forget. After that, reconnect to the network by entering the password again. Next, ensure airplane mode is off and that mobile data is disabled while you are using Wi-Fi. Sometimes these settings can interfere with your connection. Another step is to check the DNS settings on your device. Go to Settings, Wi-Fi, or your equivalent menu, select your Wi-Fi network, go to Advanced Settings and look for DNS settings. Set the DNS to 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. It is a Google's DNS servers and save the settings. If none of these steps work, restart your device. This simple fix can often resolve network issues. And finally, if you are still experiencing issues, contact your internet service provider. There may be an outage of your area or your router might require troubleshooting from their side. And that's it. Hopefully one of these steps helps you reconnect to the internet. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.